Ngemizamo yokulwa nesandulela ngculaza, abantu abasha bakhuthazwa ukuthi benze ucansi oluphephile. Iphini likangqongqoshe wezempilo nabanye baholi bagqugquzela okufanayo ukuthi kumele kwehliswe izinga lokutheleleka kwabantu abasha ngesandulela ngculaza.
We are not yet there where we can speak about completely having zero new HIV infections, zero sexually transmitted infections, and zero pregnancies in amongst teenagers. So we are therefore saying this is still relevant, but even much stronger to even accelerate those campaigns.
Abantu abasha nabazimisele nokulwa neligciwane.
I use protection. If you want to use protection, you can use condom.
I use protection and make sure that I know my status and my partner's status.
For my young queens and kings, what I can say is if you are under 16 years, you better not do it at all. You better not have sex.
Kusenjalo, iphini likangqongqoshe lithi asikho isidingo sokwethuka emva kokutholakala kwesifo i-monkeypox kuleli.
We just mentioning monkeypox because it's just a new disease in the country, in South Africa, but it is not. It's a very self-limiting, not very severe illness to have.
Ukulwa nesandulela ngculaza kubekwe phambili njengoba kade kuyinyanga yentsha.